The idea of social Darwinism began first with Charles Darwin, who came up with the idea of the survival of the fittest, and it was later used by Herbert Spencer to describe societies in which those who were superior survived, while those who were weak died off. The ideas from these men are what created the foundation for social Darwinism. Charles Darwin's survival of the fittest began in his book On the Origin of Species. This book basically describes how it is natural for animals to compete in nature, and due to natural selection, the stronger animals would tend to survive, while the weaker animals would be killed or die of starvation. This idea can also relate to humans, however not so much physically as socially. People that have authority can relate to the strong animals, and people who are poor or do not earn a living can be compared to the weak animals. By the last decade of the 19th century, social Darwinism was being used to argue that imperialism, which is the competition between nations for control of the globe, was a natural and necessary step in the evolution of the human species. An example of social Darwinism in the 19th century is Hitler and the Nazis against the Jews. In this situation, Hitler and Nazis believed themselves to be superior to the Jews, therefore making it okay for them to kill the Jews off because they were viewed as weaker. Social Darwinism today barely exists. It was mostly left in the 20th century for many reasons. First, mixed economies became more widely accepted, meaning no more laissez-faire economy. Also, other philosophies became more popular, like socialism, communism, and anarchism. In addition, humans were seen as more socially aware than animals. Finally, the fall of fascist states led to a period of disrepute, the damage or loss of reputation, and few societies practice its ideas.